This is a what's in the box for Concourse Nova EVO ceramic coating or paint protection kit, whatever you'd like to call it. So you've got a not quite well packaged kit, which includes microfiber towels. So this is a little pack of microfiber towels there. So you've got quite a number there. Those microfiber suede towels get wrapped around the applicator, which is a hard foam and soft foam. So essentially you wrap one of those towels right around it. So once that's covered, then you drop your coating on it and then apply on the paintwork. There is obviously the EVO itself, so it's packed in its own little box there. A 30mm kit is more than enough to do an SUV. There's some small directions on the back there. If you need more information, visit concoursecarcare.com.au. And down the bottom there is a microfiber towel as well. So that's actually what you would use. You would probably have more than these, more than just one. First thing you do is always tear the tag off microfiber towels. That's what you would use to level it. So essentially the directions are: apply it with a suede microfiber wrapped around your applicator, a few drops on that, wipe it over the panel, allow it a few minutes to flash, then you level it and wipe it off with this microfiber. So that's what's in the box for Concourse Nova EVO.